The ripple effect, how errors impact a reader. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. We're diving deep into understanding the significance of proofreading and editing. Imagine reading a beautifully written story only to stumble upon errors. The impact can be jarring. Today, we will explore how errors in writing affect the reader's understanding and their perception of your work. When we read a piece of text, our brain actively processes the information. An unexpected error can interrupt this process. This is similar to watching a movie and suddenly seeing a glitch in a scene. The flow is broken, and your immersion is disrupted. Distraction. Errors can be distracting. Instead of focusing on the content, the reader might get hung up on a spelling mistake or a grammatical error. Credibility loss. Consistent mistakes might make the reader question the credibility of the writer. If they can't trust you with small details, how can they trust the bigger picture? Confusion. Sometimes, errors can change the meaning of a sentence, leading to confusion. Errors have a domino effect. One mistake can lead to another and can change the overall interpretation of the text. Misinterpretation. A misplaced comma or a wrongly chosen word can drastically change the meaning of a sentence. Example: "Let's eat, Grandma," versus "Let's eat, Grandma." The former is a kind invitation to a meal. The latter, well, let's not go there. Lost flow. When there's an error, the reader might have to backtrack, trying to understand what the writer intended. This breaks the flow of reading and might even lead to a loss of interest. Especially in a professional setting, errors can have more significant consequences. Perceived laziness. If someone doesn't take the time to proofread, they might be seen as lazy or careless. Missed opportunities. In the world of business, an error-filled proposal might be rejected not because of the content but because of the lack of attention to detail. Miscommunication. Errors can lead to misunderstandings. In serious scenarios, these misunderstandings can have severe repercussions. In the world of writing, errors are more than just mistakes on paper. They carry weight and can shape a reader's perception and understanding. So, the next time you're tempted to skip proofreading, remember the ripple effect of errors. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has emphasized the importance of proofreading and editing your work. Until next time, happy writing!